Hey guys, welcome back. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to create this split screen effect in Premiere Pro. Select the two clips on the timeline that you want to use for the split screen effect and place them on top of each other. Right-click on the clips and select Nest to group them together. Double-click on the nested sequence to open it in the timeline. In the Effects Control panel, search for Crop and drag the effect onto one of the clips. Go to the Effects Control panel and adjust the crop settings to crop the clip to 1/2 of the frame. If you want the action to remain centered, crop values of left and right to 25%. Do the same to the other clip, but crop it to this other half of the frame, or change the crop values of left and right to 25%. Adjust the position of the clips as necessary to create the desired split screen effect. On to the next split screen effect. Select the first video clip and make the scale 50%. Do this to the second video as well. Change the position of the first clip to top left. Change the position of the second clip to bottom left. For the third video clip, let's go to the Effects tab and take the crop effect. Apply the effect to the third video. Move to the Effect Controls tab. Under the crop effect, change the left and right values to 25%. Then change the position to the right side here under Motion. And that's it. Lastly, we'll be using these clips for the final effect. Place the clips onto the timeline in the order you want them to appear in the split screen. Select the first clip and change the scale to 50% here under Motion. Do this to the rest of the clips. Then change the position of each video clip here. To make the border, select the pen tool and draw across the clips. Select the shape tool and uncheck Fill and select Stroke. Let's change the screen size so we can easily do our adjustments. Change the screen size back to normal. Go back to the shape tool and adjust the stroke size to something like 15. And then adjust graphic layer to the duration of your clips. And that's it. With these easy steps, you can create a split screen effect in Premiere Pro that will add visual interest and variety to your videos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Also, leave a comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Kwaheri.